Specs locked, streaming to fabrication.
Confirmed. Monitoring the queue. Adjusting draft for stability. Transparent vacuum sheets are sealed over the layered hull molds. Hoses connect to resin tanks, and automated pumps begin extracting air. Resin flows through tubes, spreading evenly through the form infusion. Alignment confirmed. Applying adhesive. Beam in position. Fastening now. Next section ready. Aligning this section with the guides, cutting the next piece now. Ready for the joint? Connecting the test line, opening the valve. Flow looks good, no issues. Engine beds are reinforced, alignment is spot on. Mounting plates in place, drills engaging. Verifying positioning now, gauge is reading green. Securing complete, ready for inspection. Crane team, lower the starboard engine. Watch the alignment pins. Roger, holding steady at 2 meters. Alignment good, engaging locks. Mount secured, good work team. Shaft incoming, aligning now. Rotation is balanced, securing propeller. Fittings tight, next unit. Tanks aligned, proceed with seals. Seals engaged, testing flow. Flow at optimal rate, monitor pressure. Sequence complete, system is stable. Align the main duct to the channel, secure it. Connection sealed, moving to the vents. Start the test, check the airflow. Airflow is steady, all clear. Next panel, align it tight. Got it, locking now. Good, keep the pace. All right, lift it steady. Watch the alignment. Copy that, chains are taut. Good, now route the conduits along the beams. Pathways are secure, ready for fixtures. Panel aligned, applying sealant. Holding steady, looks flush. Seal complete, securing frame. Coating stabilizing, heat's holding at optimal levels. Conveyor flow is steady, no interruptions. Next hull entering chamber now, monitoring temp rise. Feed rate steady, shine forming on the panels.
Edges are clean, next batch advancing.
Confirmed, holding tolerance, mirror finish achieved.
Mounting is secure, ready for wiring.
Copy. Initial blade power and signal in progress. Heading lock confirmed.
Comms integration verified, all green.
Aligning to the guide now. Looks good. Holding steady. Securing the fixtures. All set here. Moving to the next station. Align these strips flush with the beam. Got it. Ready for power up. Initiate sync. Watch the calibration. Good. Now check the FAR fixtures. Initiate circulation. Monitor for pressure build. Pump engaged. Lines are filling. Flow is stable. Checking pressure. Pressure at 40 psi. Within spec. Powering circuits now. Watch for stability. Levels are holding steady. Confirmed. Proceed to next phase. Initiate dry test sequence. Monitor RPM and pressure. Good. Watch for thermal spikes on the shaft. Levels are optimal. No anomalies detected. Suction is strong, getting all the fibers clean.
Dashboard's buffed, moving to the console.
Surface is responding well. Keep the pressure even on the curves. Understood. Refining the edge now. Good. Inspect the seam for uniformity. Initiating hull scan, port side. Starboard hull clear, proceeding to structure.
Section 1 complete, logging data. Transitioning to interior, propulsion next.
Final systems check complete. Cradle is secure. Stern supports locked, ready for hydraulics. Proceed with cradle roll test on my mark. Rolling now, no friction. Platform stable, commencing descent. All contact, monitor for shifts. Descent complete, she's stable. Running propulsion diagnostics now. RPMs are steady. Copy that. Initiating thruster test sequence. Readings confirm. All systems are nominal. Affirmative. Proceeding to final checks. Engine systems online. Nav and safety checks complete. Deck secured. Fenders and lines checked. Confirmed. Ready to cast off. Engines holding at 75% load. All systems green.
Copy. Fuel flow is optimal 120 liters per hour.
Roger. Speed steady at 12.5 knots. Affirmative. No anomalies. Docking complete. Initiate inspection protocol. Roger that. Tablet is syncing. Ready for hull check. Data logged. Engine readings nominal. Confirmed. Finalize report. Initiating system check. Confirm alignment. Alignment confirmed. Ready for calibration. Adjusting module now. Watch the display. Final checks complete. System green. Processing the latest specs now. Certification drafts are next.
Filing complete, awaiting the printed reports.
Reports incoming. Cross-verifying with the system. Rollers are active. Watch the alignment. Looks good. No wrinkles. Securing the edge now. All clear. Good to go. Steady on the descent. Keep it level. Strap secured. Moving to the next. All clear. Under controlled conditions, vehicles align precisely. The yacht is secured for its journey. Professional workflow ensures industrial completed. Hull integrity checks out. Moving to propulsion.
Thruster systems nominal. Electricals next.
Engine bay clear. All systems verified. Checklist complete. Ready for delivery. Client wants these joints flush. Let's refine that now. Understood. Aligning the supports. Good. Now torque these fittings to spec. Torquing now. Surface is smooth. Perfect. Final check. Under controlled conditions, vehicles align precisely. The yacht is secured for its journey. Professional workflow ensures industrial completed. Final polish on the hull. It's looking flawless. Windows are streak free. Moving to the trim. Good. Let's step back and review. Confirmed. She's ready for presentation. Presentation setup is prepped. Ready for handover.
Copy. Lowering the binders now.
Confirmed. All secure. All right, systems check. Navigation, comms, all green. Confirmed. GPS is locked. Engines are optimal.
Safety gear is stowed, ready for the demo. Good, let's move to the deck, review the points.
Navigation system's optimal, maintaining 12 knots.
Engine readings are green, no anomalies.
Check the environmental controls. Excellent. Monitor for any drift. Scanning box. All clear.
Confirmed, updating system now.
Here's the final paperwork. Processing, delivery confirmed complete. All clear aft, release lines.
Safe voyage, clear ahead.
Observe the valve adjustment. This controls system pressure. Use the wrench for a quarter turn clockwise. Pressure is stabilizing. Good. Check for leaks and log the reading. In this packaging area, automated systems pack components with precision. Workers organize inventory, ensuring professional workflow maximizes efficiency and accuracy in the facility. In the dispatch center, orders are processed with precision. Conveyor systems move packages toward loading docks. This workflow ensures rapid, efficient global delivery. Dock is clear. Bring her in steady. Copy. Ready with the tools. Good. Tighten that starboard bolt. Alignment is good. Check the port side. On it. Initiating automated cycle. Pressure and RPMs are optimal. Confirmed. Monitoring for any anomalies. First section complete. Surface is significantly improved. Software sync initiated. 70% and climbing. Hardware install complete. Running diagnostics. Ports active. Full integration achieved. Upgrade successful. All repairs and upgrades are verified. Systems are running smoothly. Confirmed. Efficiency metrics are excellent. Excellent. Inspection complete. All systems green. Final checks are complete. She's all set for delivery.
Great, let's go over the details.
Panel is secure. No issues.
Looks perfect. Ready to
She's
take
all
her.
yours.